Today we're diving into an exciting review of the 2025 Ford Escort Mk1 RS, a car that brings a rich history into the modern era while keeping its performance-focused spirit intact. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where the Mk1 RS stands out immediately. Ford has done a fantastic job of blending vintage cues with contemporary design language. The car's body retains the sharp, angular edges and the compact, purposeful look of the original Mk1, but with a few modern twists. The front grille is wide and aggressive, flanked by sleek LED headlights that add a touch of sophistication while maintaining that retro appeal. The rear end is just as stunning, with its wide stance, a rear spoiler, and those distinctive rear lights that instantly scream RS. The exterior dimensions are a bit larger than the original, giving the M1 RS a more planted presence on the road, but it still retains that light and agile feel. The overall look feels timeless, like something you could take for a spirited drive today, yet still catches the attention of those who know the heritage of this classic model. The paint options are something to mention too, with Ford offering some signature RS colors, deep metallic blues and vibrant reds that complement the car's aggressive personality. Now let's take a closer look at the interior, where Ford has really modernized the Mk1 without losing the essence of its classic roots. When you open the door, you're greeted with a mixture of retro-inspired design and cutting-edge technology. The dashboard keeps the original minimalist feel, but it's now equipped with a digital gauge cluster that combines vintage analog dials with a modern touchscreen interface. It's as if Ford took the classic simplicity approach of the original and supercharged it with today's tech. The seats are another highlight. They're sporty, wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, providing both comfort and the kind of support you need during those spirited drives. The driving position is low and snug, just like it should be in a performance car. There's plenty of room for taller drivers. Despite its compact size, the steering wheel has that classic RS look, but is now a performance-funky, multi-function wheel with paddle shifters for those who want to get the most out of the driving experience. Ford has also made sure to modernize the features without compromising on the raw, connected driving feel. You get a fully integrated infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation, along with a quality sound system. But Ford hasn't forgotten its roots. There's still that satisfying mechanical feel when you turn the ignition, and the shift of the manual gearbox has a tactile engagement that's perfect for enthusiasts. As for performance, the 2025 Ford Escort Mk1 RS doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, you've got a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine that churns out a thrilling 300 horsepower. This gives the car more than enough oomph to launch from 0 to 60 mph in under 5 seconds, all while maintaining that lightweight, nimble feel the original was known for. AXL 3.5's open passenger equality. Plug seat markup checkpoint. The power is routed through a 6-speed manual transmission, and you can feel the precision and joy in every gear shift. The rear-wheel drive layout makes for some fantastic driving dynamics, with a balance that's perfect for spirited cornering and even some track day fun. Ford's engineers have paid close attention to the suspension and handling, offering an independent rear suspension that helps with stability and traction while still keeping things playful. On the road, the M1 RS feels quick, responsive, and ready to take on whatever comes its way. The exhaust note is pure RS2, loud, throaty, and unmistakable. It's not just a car, it's an experience. Now let's talk about the price. The 2025 Ford Escort M1 RS isn't cheap, but it's not out of reach either. The base model starts around $40,000, and if you opt for some of the performance packages or additional tech features, it can go up to about $45,000. For those looking for a piece of history that's also a modern-day performance powerhouse, it's well worth the investment. It's a car that offers great value for money when you compare it to other sports coupes in its range. So, is the 2025 Ford Escort M1 RS worth it? Absolutely. It's a car that not only honors the legacy of the Escort, but it also elevates it to new heights. With its striking looks, modern interior, thrilling performance, and reasonable price, it's a car that's built for enthusiasts, collectors, and anyone who loves driving. If you're in the market for a unique sports car with a rich history and cutting-edge performance, the M1 RS is definitely one to consider.